That's the drive wheel, is it? So this is it, the Strongman Clifton. I've actually probably been looking to buy one of these for about 10 years, but it's only now that I've decided that I really don't like hoiking up the Range Rover in the air just with a jack and an axle stand. So I've decided to invest in one of these. £2,500. A bit more expensive if you buy some other accessories. I bought some cross beams and a mobility kit so I can at least move it around the garage a little bit. I'm gonna get to it. I'll show you what I've got. This was due to be delivered tomorrow. I only ordered it yesterday and it arrived today. So luckily, yesterday evening I spent some time sort of tidying up the garage. This is the bit that all people should ignore. No, only joking. It says important information. Important information. These procedures must be followed. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. One broken wheel. Blimey, that's not going anywhere. It's always handy to have a car that you can just put an engine hoist in the back of. It's not the Lupo. That's going to work quite well. Ta-da! So this is the connection that goes to the box, the control box. So you basically have that closest to wherever you want the control box to be. Day 2 in the Woody garage. I am at the stage of positioning the platforms. All I know at this stage is they're very heavy, and this is where the control box goes. So they obviously they don't have a front or a back, these ramps. It just depends on where you want your control box to go. So it's either one corner or the other. But first of all, I've got to lift these up. 2-man lifting required, or lifting aid. Right, that's a lifting aid, and so is my jack, so I'm going to do that. Right. I've got Paul, who's just dropped off another control box, so he's kindly offered to help me fit this bit, which is very, very heavy. Does it matter if yeah, because the bolts come through. Okay, do you want to, if I lift it? Do you often find lots of bits of wood around the place, or is that the sign of an amateur?
I don't call them amateurs, novices.
Novices, people that don't do it every day. Up you go. Come on. Good boy. Up. Up. You're a good boy. I feel like I'm on the home straight now. There you go. Could probably do some washers under there, but... The lift will not start raising straight away. Please allow 5 to 10 seconds for it to start. Put-um. Once the lift starts to raise, carry on holding the up button till the lift activates the upper limit switch and stops. Blimey, that'll put the Range Rover through the roof. There you go. Wow, that is higher than I was expecting.
One.
Sorry, I mean, I know I can clear the garage roof. Let's just have a look at the wheels. I could really do with some mirrors. That looks about right. Obviously you need good jacking points on your L322 if you're going to do this. You'll know all about that, I'm sure. Right, that's in its first position, so I'm now going to press the lock button, which should take it down into the stop. Whoa. Yeah, so these rear ramps are holding the whole weight of the car at the back. There we go. Strongman Clifton with a, what are these, 2.6 tons? Stretching the capacity, the length of the thing. Interestingly, this won't lift my classic DS because the jacking points are too far away. Once the ramps are up, the jacking points are way longer than the end of these ramps. So the only way to lift that with this is going to be to get some sort of probably square section tubing to kind of effectively extend the ramp. But good. Let's hope it's going to pay for itself. Not that, well, in convenience, I guess. Anyway, I think we've probably come to the end of the Strongman Clifton lift series. It's going to be an editing art because I've got about 3 hours of video, I think. So I hope I've cut it down to something that's achievable for you to watch. If you found it useful and you like these old things, please do subscribe to my channel. It means quite a lot. I've almost got 5,000 subscribers. Well, that's not true. I've almost got 4,100 subscribers. So get us over 4,100 and I'll be happy. Right, take care of yourselves. More of interest coming along soon.